Hi and welcome back. Today's going to be a quick one. We're making chocolate chip cookies. Not only did I work on my car, but I also mowed the lawn. At 10 o'clock this morning, it was about 90 degrees outside and humid because of all the rain. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I am cooking these cookies up for a colleague of ours. It was a person who gifted us a lawnmower for Thing One's house. We obviously gave him money, but we're also doing other things. So we're going to go ahead and make this for that person. I also have a pineapple upside down cake that I need to make for work this week. I'm going to do that on my own. But that's what's happening this week. Stay hydrated. Now in a bowl, we're going to use 1 whole stick of butter, half a cup. Do not melt it. The type of butter or the temperature of the butter that goes into the batter depends on it determines the quality of the cookie. If you melt the butter, the cookie's going to be flat and kind of cardboardy. Right, we're going to go ahead and cut this up. We're also going to add 6 tablespoons of white sugar and 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, and cream those together. Now, I don't like buying brown sugar because I never use it enough to use all of it before it goes rock hard. So I usually put molasses in. It is 1 tablespoon per 1 cup, or 1 tablespoon molasses per 1 cup of sugar. So with all this, I'm going to put a tablespoon of molasses in here. Ish. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and slowly work on getting the butter and sugar mixed together. If you have a mixer, this will be a lot easier. We are working on cleaning some things, so my mixer is unavailable at this time. Now, this is going to take a hot minute. Once creamed and mixed together. Yes, I use my hands a little bit. It works. I'm going to add 1 egg. It is that time of year where everybody is selling off their eggs because they have too much. So we have local farm eggs. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. Half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Mix that in. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1 cup of flour. You can sift this if you want, if you're using a mixer. It does get the lumps out. Mix it all up, and once it's mixed up, you're going to add the chocolate chips. For this, it's going to be a half a cup or more if you like chocolate chips. Now there's still lumps of butter in here. Kind of squish them down a little bit, but that's a good thing. And if you want to, you can put this in the fridge for about another 15 minutes after you get everything put together, and then scoop them out and bake them. And these are going to be going into the oven at 375 for about 8 minutes. We are using the mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. And kind of eyeball it. There we go. Now if you want to make this edible cookie dough, omit the egg. That's all you need to do. A little bit here, a little bit there. I'm making small ones because, like I said, these are going to spread a little bit. Not as much as if the butter was warm and melted. But I can put 12 of these on a sheet, and it's going to take a couple of sheets. It's going to make a couple of dozen cookies. Oh, come on. Here we go. And in the oven we go. A little bit crispy. That'll work. You kind of want to get the rest of the grease off of these cookies before you put them in a airtight container. Some of them are not pretty, but that's what makes them real. It's hot outside. I don't feel good. I overdid myself. Outside, and I am just inside with the air conditioning on. I need to sit down. I'm gonna grab dinner and probably call it early. So thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully next time we'll have something a little bit more exciting, maybe.